Forget email-only funnels. I'm about to show you the sneaky way that I'm converting leads at 3 times the rate, and almost nobody is teaching this. Let's go. So in my other 2 videos, I showed you where your traffic is and then how to validate your offer. Now I'm about to blow your mind with something different. Most people will tell you to build an email list and nurture them. And by nurturing them, you'll eventually lead to a sale. And they're not wrong. Here's a crucial element that I learned after building a multiple 6-figure business. Email, great. Community, that's where the magic happens. Here's why people with email-only funnels fail. Emails get buried, get ignored. People even forget that they've signed up for your freebie. But when someone joins a free community, they show up and they engage. And they see you as a leader, not just another email in their inbox. This is a system that I built that nobody else is talking about. So when someone downloads my freebie or watches my free workshop, they don't just get an email sequence. They get invited to a free community where I've preloaded content using prompts that answer their most pressing questions before they even ask. This positions me as the expert without being salesy. It creates connection through vulnerability and stories, and I can also show social proof from other members getting results. Here's the breakdown. Ready? Touchpoint 1, they download my freebie or watch my free workshop. You can even have your freebie inside the community. And number 2 is they get the email with the freebie link and an invite into my community. Touchpoint number 3 is a welcome post inside the community introducing myself. Touchpoint number 4 are pre-scheduled posts that deliver value daily or weekly. Point number 5 is my comments and my responses to their questions. Sometimes, and this is touch point number 6, I will go into the community and do free trainings for them. Touch point number 7 becomes other members sharing their wins inside the community. Touch point number 8 is that I always have soft pitches that are leading to my next paid product. Do you see what happened there? Instead of sending 7 emails that might or might not get opened, I'm creating touch points in a space where they are choosing to show up. Inside my free training, I give you the exact prompts that I use to create a 30-day community calendar. We have posts that educate, posts that connect, and posts that convert. Here's the secret sauce. When people see other people engaging, that FOMO kicks in. When they see you answering questions in real time, that trust level rises. When they see testimonials from people just like them, objections start to disappear. So you're not chasing them, coming to you in the community. Here's the best part. This does not replace your email sequences. It enhances it. They feel a part of something. They see you as a trusted guide. Buying from you becomes the natural next step. With my prompts, it all becomes strategic. It all works on the conveyor belt of conversion. Here's the deal. You've watched my other 2 videos. We've covered traffic, we've covered offers, and we've covered conversion. But if you want the traffic validation prompts given to you, the offer validation system given to you, community conversion framework, all of the prompts inside, the email sequences that work with your community, and the exact 30-day content calendar that I use, I provide all of this for you inside of my free workshop. It's called Your Reinvention Era, and you can find it at shelivedagoodlife.com/reinvention era, or you can DM me training. No complicated funnels, no ads. You don't need years of experience or to be an expert. With a simple free community, strategic content, and a validated offer people are already searching for, this is your moment. Stop overthinking, stop waiting, and let's build this together. I'll see you inside.